Hello. Can you guys hear me down the back? Excellent. Welcome. Welcome to the first, welcome to React Sydney. There have been a lot of talks about React this year at conferences and meetups near you. So just now I thought it was about time we had a proper React meetup in Sydney. So thanks all for coming. And we are Jess and Jed and React Sydney, if you guys want to follow us on Twitter. And this is the first time we've done this, so forgive any missteps, but hopefully we'll do a good job of giving you a meetup. Apparently there are technical difficulties, but I mean, hey, it's a tech meetup, what do you expect? Yeah, we got the pizza and the beer part right. So, so what we thought we'd do is start off with some intros. You don't all have to get up and introduce yourself. For anyone who's been to SitJS, we're sort of following that format. And normally the new people get up. Tonight everyone here is new. So what we thought was anyone who wants to introduce themselves and say hi, let everyone else know what they're doing, that'd be great. We'd love to get to know more about the community in Sydney who are either interested in or using React. Then we've got 3 great talks for you from Tanya, Charles and Joseph. And then we thought we'd try something different that we haven't seen at a meetup before, but we've seen at a few conferences, and have a bit of a panel. So just before we get going, who's actually using React at the moment? Cool, that's a lot of you. Who's here just because they're interested in React and wanted to learn more about it? Yeah? Good to have you guys as well. I'm not even concerned that one of our speakers put her hand up. So what we thought for the end of the evening, if everyone's still got some energy and some time, we thought we'd run a bit of a panel where those of us who have been using React for a while can maybe answer some questions and see whether you're getting started or have some higher end questions, and we'll sort of have some time to shout them out at the end and just talk about whatever you guys want to talk about rather than just what we've prepared for you in terms of talks. So before we get started, thanks to our sponsors. We have ThinkMill, Domain and Tab. Beers by ThinkMill. Thank you to Domain for the space, and thank you to Tab for the pizzas. It's kind of appropriate that Tab are responsible because we're thinking for next month we might actually run a lottery for who gets tickets. I'm kidding. I make terrible jokes. If you keep coming to this meetup, you'll get used to that. But seriously, we are looking into a lot. Thank you, down the back. We are looking to a larger space for next time, so we thought we'd start small, but the interest has been overwhelming. We had no idea there were going to be 200 RSVPs for our meetup. So thanks for coming, and thanks to everyone who actually RSVP'd and came. And thank you to our sponsors. So to welcome you all and do a brief rundown of the space and intro to the meetup, I'm going to pass it on to Jess.
Thank you very much, Jed. So this space is provided by Domain. So thank you very much to Domain for having us here. I myself work here at Domain. There's a few people floating around. You can see we have the M's on our shirt. So if you have a question about the space, please come and grab us. Just some normal stuff. Toilets. This white door just around here to your left. To get there, go up through the glass doors and follow the whiteboard signs around. Please don't head upstairs. Just head straight into the toilets and come back. There is beer and pizza up the back. Please enjoy responsibly. Also, just standard no harassment, be nice kind of policy here. Everyone's here to have fun and learn more about React and enjoy themselves. So let's all enjoy it together. But yeah, that's about it. So thank you so much for coming in. We can jump straight into intro. So is anybody here who wants to kind of say hi, what they're up to, anything interesting? Working at GA, or sorry, learning at GA, you might be working at GA as well, I don't know. Nearby, any show of hands? Just a quick hello, no, it's okay, we're friendly, bit of bite. Not a one? All right, so quick show of hands, who's using React in production? Alright, so, okay, hands back up if you're using in production. Alright, and keep your hand up if you've had some pizza. Alright, stand up. I need intros from you. All right, thanks, folks. I'll bring the mic around to you. Just say who you are, what you're working on.
G'day, I'm Tom Gasson. I work at Arup, an engineering company, a bit different from a lot of people here, but working with data visualization and web mapping.
Hi, I'm Brendan, and well, the app I made is in production, but the number of users is 10. It's internal only, and I'm completely new to it, so I guess about a month into it. Yeah.
I'm Nick. We do React in production for like 25 users. But it's hard to say, like, because you have like a big appliance that costs several $100,000 and there are not so many customers for that stuff. But it's pretty cool.
Yeah, he has double the users.
Hey guys, I don't actually do any React programming. The team here does. So I'm from HeyU, and we're about to launch a React app into production on Wednesday, hopefully, which, when rolled out across our customer base, will probably take about 10,000 orders a day. For those who don't know who HeyU is, we're formerly known as Beat the Queue. Look us up.
Last chance, anyone else? No? All good? Cool. There's one at the back that's being very violently pointed at. No? Okay. I do have to apologise as well for the shape of the screen. Those technical difficulties that Jet mentioned, I was under the impression that the projector could handle pointing on an angle. I was wrong. But, just tilt your head a little bit, crane your neck, just work it out, you'll be right, it's all good. Cool, all right, well thank you so much for those intros, and let's move on to